I don't get an opportunity today for interview the president himself, the chairman of the federation. Chairman, so I heard that you have some plans for Sierra Leone. How do you what is the time frame? We are hoping to hear a lot from you.
Well, expecting the projects will start in August.
Okay.
And based upon the projections from those who have already undergone the projects of the same nature, we should be closing on it by December.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. Well, we have a lot of naysayers who say Tegloma has said a lot of things they've not done in the past. So, what are you going to do to allay the affairs? Or?
Well, first of all, this is the first time that we have gone into the press.
Okay.
I don't think it's going to be fully hardy of us to go to the press and then just shame everybody in Tegloma. We're not going to be able to do that. And besides, we're working with the board. The budget has been approved. We've started getting funds from across Tegloma. Okay. And I don't see any reason why we should not start that project and complete it.
Well, just another question. Are you planning to run for a second term?
Well, I've always told people that I want to focus on my first term.
Okay.
Because that is what has been given to me by God and by members of Tegloma.
So that means you're not going to run for the second term?
Well, I'm not ruling that out, but I want to put my energy into what has been already given to me. They approved it for my 2 years, and I want to do the best I can for the 2 years.
You have now been chairman of the federation for going close to a year. What are some of your main achievements since you became?
Well, expectedly, we have concluded the land deal.
Okay.
We have finished. The website is up now. Okay. In fact, we started getting donations on the website.
Okay.
We have announced 2 projects: the Kanama Ward Hospital renovation, and then the scholarship program. We're going to go with that. We've also introduced, for the first time in 34 years, we've introduced an ID card and a Tegloma quarterly magazine, which is all just mechanisms to share information with the rest of the general public and our community. So basically, that's what we've done within the last 6 months.
Well, those are laudable achievements. We thank you, Chairman Jamiru. We have confidence in you. We know that you are going to be you have always been a good leader. You've always been a friend of Tegloma. Not only are you the head of Tegloma, you love Tegloma. So what are your final words to all the members in the federation?
Well, I tell you, I think Tegloma, over the years, we have not tapped into the potential that we have. And moving forward, that is going to be my focus. And that is why we also have made a decision as an administration that we're going to be very transparent. Whatever we're going to be doing, we'll have to share with our community. So that at the end of the day, we don't have to always be explaining to people from time to time that this is what we've done. And I'm very, 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 very proud of my Tegloma members who in diverse ways are giving us all the support in advice, in money, in travel time, The inauguration here today, Madam Pastor Stuart's inauguration, is just one of those wonderful support that we continue to get. And with that support, nothing can stop us. We're going to move Tegloma forward.
And you are launching a new chapter in Missouri. We are very proud of that, and I've talked to the president. We are hearing rumors about chapters that are pending in Australia and in Gambia. So do you have any information to share, or is that still something you don't want to divulge publicly?
The Gambia is more of a certainty than Australia.
Okay.
The Gambia, we are hoping that we should be able to inaugurate them at the end of the year. So the plan is, and we're working out the modalities, we will go and hand over the keys to the renovated hospital in Kenema, Hospital Ward in Kenema, and then after that we'll travel to the Gambia and then inaugurate the Gambia and then return back to the US. With respect to the Australian chapter, we are working on that right now, and Mr. and Mrs. Levy from Ohio chapter are coordinating that aspect. And as soon as we get word, we'll share it with the rest of the family. But yes, Australia is also a very potential chapter.
Well, Chairman, we love Tegloma. We are rooting for you, for your success and for the success of Tegloma. This is Sheku Sherry. I've just been talking to Chairman Alfred Moe Jamiru, Chairman, Tegloma Federation International, comprising of now going to 24 chapters, a very dynamic young man. Chairman, thank you very much for granting me this interview. Thank you.